Good morning, good morning. It's Cam. Let's talk some stocks. It's Monday morning, March 15th, about 5:40 in the morning. And have some pre-market action. Futures are pretty flat right now, but they have been dropping since 3 a.m. They were up, just went red, about 10 minutes ago. But AMC here, made a video on them over the weekend. Same with GameStop. You can check those out. I'll link those in a card up top. But gapped up here, first thing pre-market, and then has been steady uptrending. Pulled back to the 22 once, now twice here. You can see it better here on the 10-minute. Kind of respected that it's 22 a little bit better. But steady incline going up higher. But we could be maybe finding resistance here pre-market. So on Wednesday last week, got up to 1247. Right, we hit 1241 here this morning in pre-market. And as 10-minute candles go, right, we had 1-2 tests of that 1240 area, couldn't get through. And then right above it, if I bring this down here, we have that 127.2 fib from the move last basically the last 2 weeks. So that area above looks like it's going to act as resistance at that 127 fib, 1256 down to about 12.4. Looks like there is a lot of selling or sellers there that are going to act as resistance. And if we zoom out to the daily, you'll see there is some size there and volume here, right? So we've got a little gap above, close to 13, but here we do have a volume base above acting as resistance, right? Because this candle hasn't came out yet, because it doesn't come till market open, but we're right about this 127 right in here. So we do have some volume above acting as resistance. So we'll look to see if we can break that area this morning or on the open. GameStop is also up, but not as bullish pre-market as AMC, kind of curling over here a bit. All right, so moved up early in the initial hours, just like AMC did, but kind of getting rolled over here since about 4 a.m. when pre-market opened for a lot of people. Bounced off this, 273 area. Let's look to see if we can get back above these declining trend lines. And then there's some biotech up, like Intech's up on a merger deal. I'm not going to bring up that chart, but some smaller names also moving around, but AMC's probably going to be my main watch today, along with crypto stocks. So Bitcoin, if you are aware, Bitcoin broke 60K for the first time this weekend. Got all the way up to 61,781. Tried to go back up to it again a couple hours later, got rejected at 61.7, and then kind of sideways for most of the weekend here, sitting around 60K. Then we got a quick crack here, about 12 hours ago. Buyers tried to come back in, hold that 59K level, but couldn't get back through 60.5, and quick sell off here this morning. So this was about 8 hours ago. So that's basically midnight for the East Coast, and then just steady selling off. But you see down here, it's just 30-minute chart, right? High volume area, high volume drop off. So 756 Bitcoin in that 130-minute period. When typically it's trading, under 100. So that's pretty significant. But we got 3 wicks here on these red candles, right? So 3 hammers. So it looks like this 55K area is going to act as support, at least for this morning initially. Looks like the buyers are going to try to hold this line, 55K. And we'll see that reflected on crypto stocks. So we'll look at Ebang International, so EBON is the ticker. So it made a big move Friday up with Bitcoin running, and it also came out with news of it's coming out with its own crypto marketplace. So significant move Friday up, from the 7s all the way up to $11. Pulled back, closed 10.4, gapped up pre-market this morning when Bitcoin was up higher, all the way to 12.58, right at that 12.55 fib, 76.8 level from its previous moves. I'll zoom out to the daily here in a second. But as Bitcoin sold off, it sold off this morning. Looks like it found support at the 61.8 fib. Also, just happens to be the consolidation area from Friday and where a ton of volume is. And that's something you'd like to see and expect with a lot of volume. So the buyers are here holding the line here pre-market, and look to see maybe that we get some profit taking, right? So it's still up, so it's at $11 right now, so that's almost what 5-6% move. So you could see profit taking on the open. So if the price does fall, I'd like to see if it holds this 10.5 area again. But we found that support right at about 515 and got back up to the 9 EMA. So look to see if we can cross over to 22 and 50 to get back up, as there is not a lot of volume above 11.3. So we'll go out to the daily just so you can see where that fib level is from. I believe it's on that one. Yep. So had this move initially back in September, 1495 high down to 3.8, and you'll see EBON has been able to move pretty significantly quick. You see we got some volume consolidated here in the low 11s. Like I said, if we get above 11.3, basically get above this Friday high, we could be moving pretty quickly up to retest at least 13.7 or this $12.50 fib. So those are stocks I'm looking at this morning. Pretty consolidated list. Really just going to be focused on AMC, probably EBON, maybe some CAN, and see what plays come my way. Let me know what you guys are looking at in the comments. Hope you guys got something out of this video. Hope you have a great day trading, great week, and we'll see you in the next one.